Okay, I've performing a new test. I'm using a 2732 EEPROM, so this is just a 4K EEPROM. There's no extra space for any other ROMs on there, and what I've done is I've just rewired pins 18 and 21. They've just been crossed over. Apparently these are compatible with the 2332 from what I could understand from a forums website, and this is an erasable, UV erasable EEPROM. We'll turn the computer on, we'll see what the screen is like, and yeah, it's garbled again. So I think it's very particular about the style of, or the type of EEPROM or PROM that's used for the character ROM in this VIC-20.